everyone, I'm Seva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be giving you guys the 10 easiest ways to boost your metabolism. But before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Now I know I mentioned this in my previous video, but thank you guys again for hitting 500 subscribers with me. I definitely want to do something for you. I want to do a nice giveaway or something along those lines, so definitely let me know in the comment section below if you want me to do that. I don't know why you wouldn't, but give me some ideas. Let me know if you guys want some kitchen gadgets or whatever it is you might want in a giveaway, a gift card, or whatever it is, let me know and I will definitely look out for everyone's comments in the comment section and we'll figure something out. But now let's get into the video. So your metabolism. Now everybody wants to know, how do I speed up my metabolism? How do I lose weight? How do I Believe me, I hear it all the time. That's one of the number one things that I get. So your metabolism is what is described as the chemical reactions that occur in your body. So these chemical reactions are what are responsible for keeping your body alive and functioning. Your metabolic rate is the amount of calories that you burn. So your metabolic rate or your metabolism or whatever, everybody kind of uses these terms interchangeably. So just don't get confused. So the higher your metabolic rate, the more calories you're going to burn, so the easier it is going to be for you guys to lose some weight if that's what your goal is. Having a higher metabolism not only can help you lose weight and keep the weight off, it can also just give you more energy and kind of just feel better. So today is what this video is about, just giving you guys 10 easy ways to kind of boost up and speed up your metabolism. So number one is going to be eating a ton of protein in every meal. So just eating food can increase your metabolism for a few hours. This is called the thermic effect of food. Now you guys have heard me talk about this before on my channel, I know you have. So if you don't know what a calorie is, make sure to check out my video literally titled What is a Calorie? I will link it up right here. But the thermic effect of food is caused by these extra calories that are going to be required for your body to be able to digest, absorb, and process all of the nutrients in your meal that you had just ate. So your thermic effect of food is going to be going through the roof with protein. So protein is going to raise your TEF the most. And this will increase your metabolic rate by 15 to 30% just by doing that. And it's increased by 5 to 10% by carbs and 0 to 3% for fats. So by eating fats, your metabolic rate isn't going to be increasing much. With carbs, a little bit, but with proteins, way more. Now, am I saying you should have no fats or no carbs in your diet and just eat protein and you're going to lose weight? No, of course not. But I'm just talking about the thermic effect of food and what is going to increase your metabolic rate the most. So maybe you want to have, your plate. You have your fats, you have your carbs, and you have your protein. So make sure, everything is nice and well balanced. Don't have a ton of fats and a ton of carbs and no protein. Also, a lot of proteins are higher in satiety, so it will make you feel fuller longer and prevent you from eating more food unnecessarily if you're already really full. So for all you guys out there that like to work out, go to the gym, you guys know what I'm talking about here. So a lot of times when you lose fat, this can drop your metabolism. But by eating more protein, you can reduce that. And this is because you're reducing your muscle loss, which is a common side effect for dieting. So if you're eating protein and you're building your muscles while you're losing fat, we're good. So to sum it up, eating more protein can boost your metabolism. So this is going to cause you to burn more calories, and a lot of times they will make you feel fuller longer, so you're not going to be overeating. So number two is going to be drink more water. I can't say this enough. Water, 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 water. So it is just a scientific fact that people who drink more water as compared to sugary drinks are more successful at losing weight and keeping it off. I mean, your body is made up of mostly water, so I think your body likes it. So I say it all the time. I have a lot of friends, family that ask me about diets and meal plans and calories and all these different things. And a lot of times I will mention your beverages because drinks are something that a lot of people don't really think about. They're not paying much attention to it. They're worrying about all the foods that they're eating and their food bars and their snacks and their cookies and their stuff. They're not thinking about all of the drinks. And to me, a lot of times it's just like wasted calories. So you're drinking and drinking and drinking all these different things, these sugar sweetened beverages, these whatever they are, and you're consuming all of these extra calories, but you're not really feeling full from them, and then you're still eating what you're eating, and it's easy to go overboard. So if you're just drinking more water right then and there, you're already decreasing your calorie intake and your sugar intake, I'm sure. And drinking water can temporarily speed up your metabolism as well. So drinking water can actually increase your resting metabolism too. So it can increase it from about 10 to 30% for about an hour. And this is where I'm going to be talking about temperature a little bit here, because I can only drink water when it's like ice cold. That's just what I do, that's how I drink it, but I know plenty of people that drink it just room temperature. Patrick, he doesn't put anything in the fridge, he just drinks everything room temp. But I'm going to show you the benefit right now of drinking ice cold water. So you can have an even greater calorie burning effect when you have this cold water instead of room temperature, because your body is going to be using energy to heat up that water to your body temperature. And water can fill you up a little bit too if you're drinking a ton of water, before you eat something. But that's not like a big thing for me. So a quick summation is that water can help you lose weight and keep it off, and that it does increase your metabolism and can help you fill up before a meal so you don't overeat. Number 3 are high intensity workouts, or some people just call them HIIT workouts. Typically it's just like a HIIT workout. So high intensity interval training, or HIIT, involves quick and very intense bursts of activity and workout and movements. So this will increase your metabolic rate even after you work out to help you burn more fat. So HIIT is just going to help you burn more fat than other exercises regardless, but that's the benefit here with your metabolic rate. Number 4 is going to be weightlifting. So this is my favorite. I don't do HIIT workouts. I don't do much of, like cardio machines. I pretty much just do weightlifting. And your muscle is more metabolically active than your fat is. So just building muscle alone can help increase your metabolism. So what this means is you're going to be burning more calories each day, even if you're at rest. Same thing like we talked about earlier, by lifting heavier weights, you're going to be retaining your muscle even while you're losing fat. So you'll kind of combat that drop in metabolism here, because that can occur during weight loss, but it will, kind of combat it when you're just building muscle. Number 5 is a really simple one, and that is just to literally stand up. So try and stand up, walk around, move your body. Sitting down too much is not good. I mean, you're not burning any calories or anything by just sitting in one spot and not moving around, are you? Simply like standing up, even if you're at work or whatever it is compared to sitting down, you can burn a couple hundred extra calories just by doing that. I know that's not for everybody, if you might already have a job where you're standing and you're walking around, you're running around, but if you have a desk job, try to be conscious of, standing up here and there, every few hours, whatever it is, or on your break, or if you can stand up on the phone or whatever it is that you can do. I know some people even have those standing desks. I mean, that's not for everybody, but they're there for a reason. Number 6, you knew it was coming, my tea. So drink, a green tea or an oolong tea. If you guys want to know different benefits of tea or my tea collection, I will link it up right here. Super excited. I love my tea. So these 2 different teas, the oolong tea or the green tea, have been shown to increase your metabolism by 4 to 5%. I know that's not anything crazy, but just by drinking a tea. And how many other benefits are there to drinking tea? Tell me, I know them. Now, the teas can also help convert some of the fat that is actually stored in your body into free fatty acids that can increase your body's ability to burn fat by 10 to 17%. And they're low in calories too, so this is a good alternative to something other than just plain water that doesn't have a lot of calories or anything like that, to just kind of maintain your weight or even lose weight. Now, this hasn't 100% been proven yet, but there are studies that do show that the increase in metabolism from these teas can help to prevent that weight loss plateau that you might face when, you know, you're losing fat and your metabolism goes down. Number 7 is going to be my least favorite, is to eat some spicy foods. Now, I can't eat spicy food. I can't even have too much pepper. I told you I'm a super taster, and I literally cannot. My tongue feels like it's on fire with like the littlest thing. So peppers contain capsaicin, and this is a substance that can boost your metabolism, but it's not worth it for me. So if you guys like spicy food, go right ahead. But I would much rather have the tea or do a HIIT workout or one of the other options. Now, of course, this is going to depend on the amount of peppers that you're eating and whatever it is, but there was a study that showed that you can actually burn about 10 extra calories per meal if you're having these peppers. So this can boost your metabolism slightly, but just think if you're also, you know, eating these spicy foods in conjunction with some of the other things in this list, then there you go. You're already at an advantage and you're just boosting it that much more. And number 8 is my other favorite, getting a good night's sleep. Sleeping Beauty. So a lack of sleep is actually linked to an increased risk of obesity. So of course, with sleep deprivation, there are a ton of negative effects on your metabolism and so many other things. It's also been linked to an increase in blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. So of course, that is a high risk of developing type 2 diabetes and stuff like that. Am I saying if you pull a few all-nighters, you're gonna get diabetes? No, that is dramatic, but I'm just telling you the effects of everything. Now, if you guys don't know what ghrelin is essentially the hunger hormone. So sleep deprivation can also increase this hormone and kind of boost it up, while leptin, the hunger hormone, kind of goes down. So this is just kind of going out there on a limb, but there are studies that show a lot of people that are sleep deprived have, more trouble losing weight or more hungry or whatever. So it's just like showing how everything just ties in together, but just get your sleep. And number 9 is to drink coffee. Now, I like tea more than I like coffee, but I do have a couple recipes on my channel that I can link up here where it's not just coffee. I make different coffee drinks or drinks that have coffee in them or smoothies or whatever, just so you guys can kind of change things up a bit if you don't like just straight up plain coffee. So the caffeine that is found in coffee is what's going to be important here. So that can actually boost your metabolism from 3 to 11%. Just like green tea that promotes, fat burning. But the weird thing with coffee is it affects people differently. So it actually helped people who were more lean rather than the people who were more obese. So there was a study that showed that coffee actually increased the fat burning by 29% in lean women and only 10% in obese women. So that's interesting. And number 10 is to replace your cooking fats with coconut oil. So unlike other saturated fats, coconut oil is actually higher in medium chain fats. And these can increase your metabolism more than long chain fats can, like in butter and things like that. Okay, so just kind of in summation here, by just making kind of smaller lifestyle changes and incorporating some of these different methods or changes into your life or into your diet and lifestyle, you can increase your metabolism. It is possible, and it's not that hard. If you're looking for more energy or to lose some weight or to help keep it off, then these tips are going to be great for you guys just to increase your metabolism, increase that metabolic rate, and just make everything happen quicker and easier. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody that you know that wants to increase their metabolism or has asked you a question, or just share it to help somebody out. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.